The Clifton Suspension Bridge is an iconic landmark for Bristol. Spanning the Avon Gorge, it is a Victorian engineering masterpiece. In 1830, the new Clifton Suspension Bridge Act gained royal assent. A committee of trustees were appointed to oversee the replacement of the old 13th century stone bridge. The Act called for a bridge over the River Avon between Clifton in Gloucester to the opposite side in Somerset. It also had to meet the requirements of the tall ships calling at the port of Bristol. 12 designs were submitted to the trustees, and in 1831 they decided on the young and as yet unknown design engineer Kingdom Brunel to build the new bridge. Spanning the gorge for 214 meters between Clifton and Lee Woods, the bridge was given a clearance of 75 meters above the River Avon. The towers that hold the suspension chains stand 26 meters above the bridge deck and hold 3 independent wrought iron chains per side. These chains carry 81 vertical wrought iron rods that support the bridge deck. These rods range from 1 meter in the center to 20 meters at either end. The bridge deck is 10 meters wide, with iron girders connecting the suspension rods together. Wooden sleepers were bolted between the girders to complete the bridge. Originally built to carry horse and carts, the wooden deck was covered in asphalt as traffic needs changed over the years. The bridge weighs 1,500 tons, and most of the iron used is still original. The Clifton Suspension Bridge represents the incredible Victorian engineering and design that can still be seen, admired, and used by thousands of people every day in Bristol.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.